We're back on the How To channel, guys, and we're talking about how to make money with Chatgpt. Now, guys, it's super easy. People are making thousands of pounds on this AI system. So all you gotta do is go to Scary Robots, okay? Scary Robots is easy. Put your email in, and it will send you a whole list, a whole spreadsheet of things you can make money with, okay? Marketing sites. All you do is pick one of them. It will then get you all the way to the website. What I want you to do is go to the YouTube, okay, get that and watch the video on what that is to promote it. On YouTube, it's going to show you exactly how to promote that site. What I want you to then do is click on transcripts. So you can see here, Run Tracker back on AppSumo. Click on transcripts. Then you're going to copy the transcripts. Now, if you're still with me, this is where the easy part is. Copy them, put them into Chatgpt. It's going to rewrite this for you, okay? So you can then have your own YouTube video. Now, you don't have to make your own YouTube video. Once it's rewritten it, copy that and go over to Cynthia.io, paste it in there, and they're going to make the video for you. See how all this copy and pasting after 60 seconds, you now have a YouTube video to go on. Like and follow for more how-to videos.